All right, so if you're looking to update a drop-down menu, then what you have to do is you still do the same search pattern. So you'd search for a text pattern, and in this case, let's say it's the order name. Add the tag to make sure it's not a loop and that you check that, and you can use Explorer to do reporter on that. And in this case, I'm just saying this is a test, right? So this is the pattern we're finding, and you can search and replace then, because when you do a drop down, you have to have the correct replace with in there, so that way the drop down field will update. So for example, when they find this pattern, this is a test, you replace it with order number, for example. So you can do this in different cases. You're going to go to admin center, and then you will go into the object and rules, and then go to fields, and you would go ahead and say add a field, and well, or you could add it inside of the ones you're doing, right? But basically what will end up happening is that if you choose drop down, it's going to pull into something like this. So this is the example. You're going to have to find value and tag there. And in this case, right, when you type in things, it's going to give you a different tag. And so that's the tag that I'm copying and pasting into here to make sure it's replacing the proper one. And then you just say update and save. And then when that runs, it will also update the drop-down menu as you do that. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. All right, thanks.